When American heiresses married into the British aristocracy, they were horrified to find a lack of indoor plumbing and to discover that they bathed more frequently than their new social circle. Prior to the American Civil War, both sides of the Atlantic were dirty. It wasn't until the 1880s that the middle class in U.S. cities began having water pumped into their houses, though the first bathrooms were frequently found in basements, as plumbing rarely extended beyond one floor. On the other side of the sea, Charles Dickens was an oddball for having an up-to-the-minute bathroom installed in 1851. Most people were content with sponge baths. Bathing your whole body every day had yet to truly catch on. Oddly, the middle class and nouveau riche rushed to adopt this new technology, while the elites hung back. Soon, snobbishness had them turning up their noses at indoor plumbing. This attitude was not helped by a history of courtesans bathing nude in Paris with scented oils and other luxuries. A socially acceptable woman always wore a shift and never used such things. While the English were content to have servants fetch buckets of hot water up to tin tubs, their new American wives, accustomed to indoor plumbing, were not. Quite a few women took to ordering the installation of new bathrooms and indoor plumbing just for themselves. And that is one of the unexpected stories of the American million-dollar princesses. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, a like, subscribe if you want, or check out the tip jar. There's always more history.